Hey, I'm here to talk about something that every social media manager faces at some point: negative comments on your platforms. Whether it's an unhappy customer or just a random troll, these comments can really test your patience. But don't worry, I've got some tips on how to handle them like a pro. First, always remain calm and professional. It's easy to get heated, but trust me, taking a deep breath and responding calmly will always serve you better. Address the commenter respectfully and thoughtfully. This not only maintains your brand's reputation, but also shows other followers that you handle criticism well. Next, listen and understand. Before you type out a response, really read and digest what the comment is saying. Try to see things from their perspective. This can help you craft a more meaningful reply, one that might even turn a critic into a fan. Responding promptly is crucial. Quick replies show that your brand values customer feedback and is attentive to audience needs. This doesn't just curb negative vibes, but also boosts your image as a responsive and caring brand. If there's a need, don't hesitate to apologize. A sincere apology can go a long way in diffusing a tense situation. It shows you're accountable and committed to making things right. And if the issue is complex, offer to move the conversation offline. This gives you a chance to handle sensitive matters privately and efficiently. Monitoring and moderating your social media is also key. Keep an eye out for any inappropriate comments that might harm the community you're building and deal with them transparently. And while you're at it, encourage positive engagement. Highlight the good stuff, like positive comments and customer testimonials. It's a great way to naturally drown out the negative noise. Finally, every negative comment is an opportunity to learn and improve. Analyze what went wrong and what could be done better. This not only helps in improving your service, but also strengthens your strategy moving forward. And remember, if things get too hot to handle, there's no shame in seeking support from your team or even developing a crisis management plan. Handling negative comments isn't just about dealing with criticism. It's about turning challenges into opportunities for growth and betterment. So, the next time you see that daunting comment, take a deep breath and use these strategies. You've got this. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to ace your social media game. Thanks for watching.